In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an estimate using QuickBooks Online. Whether you're drafting a quote or a proposal, QuickBooks can help streamline the process and keep you organized. We'll walk through each step to ensure you feel confident in generating accurate estimates for your business needs. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the website at https://qbo.intuit.com. Once there, sign in using your credentials. If you're having any trouble remembering your login information, there's always the option to reset your password. Once you're in, QuickBooks welcomes you with a dashboard filled with various tools and options. Next, look to the left-hand menu and find the plus new button. Clicking this takes you to a new set of options. Here, under the Customer section, you'll see an option labeled Estimate. An estimate in QuickBooks is essentially a quote or proposal serving as a preliminary calculation of costs for your customers. Choose this option to move forward. Now, it's time to choose a customer for your estimate. This is where you select an existing customer from your list. But if you're working with someone new, click Add New to create a fresh customer profile. QuickBooks makes it really simple to add new details, ensuring you can swiftly begin working on the estimate. Once you've selected your customer, you can fill in all the details of the estimate. Begin by entering the date of the estimate. Following that, you'll need to specify the product or service items you're including, along with their respective quantities and prices. Take your time here to ensure everything is accurate. There's also the option to add terms or notes here, which can be useful for any special conditions or additional information your client should be aware of. Before sending out your estimate, you'll want to check your work by clicking Print or Preview. This will allow you to see the formatting and details from the client's perspective. Ensuring everything is clear and correctly displayed is crucial because it reflects on your professionalism. When you're satisfied with the preview, it's time to send the estimate. Click on Save and Send to get started. QuickBooks prompts you to enter the recipient's email address. You can also add a personalized message to accompany the estimate, which can be a nice touch to foster client relationships. Once you've done that, just click Send and off it goes. Finally, don't forget to keep an eye on the estimate's status. Tracking this ensures you're aware of when it's been viewed and can follow up accordingly. Keeping track of this process within QuickBooks saves you time and effort, leaving you to focus more on growing your business. And that's it! You've successfully created, previewed, and sent an estimate using QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.